Hi everyone, this is a Leyland 804 and this was the last ones that the Leyland built before Marshall took them over. Just been talking to the owner and he actually owns all these Leylands, so I'm going to film them all in one video. Now they only bought this one like this. He's done a few little bits to it, but inside the cab, this is a big tractor. This is a really big tractor. Must be about good 10-11 foot high, right up there. This has got some power to it, that's for sure. I bet this is a real handy piece of work. Oh, look at that, love it. Ooh. I can't remember what that's for. Just give you a little look inside there. What a beautiful tractor. Very well looked after, just as well. And then next door, we have a Leyland 472. Oh, they've all got this little toolbox. Love it. You'll be amazed how handy that is when you're out in the fields, to be honest. Absolutely amazed. This is clearly still a working tractor, I would say. Again, powerful bit of kit. Got to walk up this bank, look, to get round the back. Still. Try not to fall over. Oh, look at this one. I did ask the gentleman how much it cost to... Now, you see these straps here? These bungee straps. That's to stop these from banging. Otherwise they bang it. They bang against each other when you're driving. It just stops that, because that's not very good. What a... wow. Belt driven fan. Okay, yeah. That's clean, isn't it? That's really clean. Lovely. Tyres are pretty expensive, I've been told. Brilliant, let's do this one. So, that last one was a 285, this is a 272. Again, toolbox. Skiff. Stand on there, get it straight in. There's a lot of power in these tractors, you can just tell. They're geared up to take a lot of machinery on the back here. And this is a much smaller one. So this is the Leyland 245. Oh, look at the speakers up there. Making the hay while the music's playing on the radio. How lovely. Can't shut the door. Bit out of practice.
Sorry.
It's alright.
Video.
Stand back a bit. It's the front of that one. And for those of you who don't know, these are weights. So when you've got equipment on the back, the tractor doesn't tip up and do a wheelie, which a few people have done in their time. And then this one is a Leyland 145. And I like this one. This one is one that I wouldn't mind driving. You can see the difference in the back of this one to the back of this one. This one's geared up to take a lot more stuff. This one, but saying that, this one here baled a lot of hay in its time. Thousands of bales, absolute thousands. What a beautiful little tractor. Again, belt driven. So that's all the Leylands. Hope you like that. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.